Did you know the number one reason pasta at home tastes dull isn't your sauce or technique? It's the water you cook it in? Let's change that today. Most people forget this crucial step: proper seasoning in your pasta water. Skimp on salt, and you're guaranteeing bland noodles every single time. Here's the restaurant secret. Before you even add the pasta, make sure your water tastes like the ocean. Yes, that's salty. The reason is simple. Pasta absorbs flavor as it cooks. If your water is bland, your noodles will be too, no matter how amazing your sauce is. Don't worry about making it too salty. Most of the salt stays in the water, not in the pasta. This technique is the chef's trick for depth of flavor. Next time, toss in a generous handful of salt as the water heats. Taste it before adding pasta. You should actually notice the saltiness. Your noodles will emerge perfectly seasoned, ready to soak up any sauce. That's the difference you notice in restaurant pasta versus homemade. Try this once and you'll never go back. Properly salted water is the easiest way to unlock the full flavor potential of every pasta dish at home. Be honest, have you been undersalting your pasta? Like and follow Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets.